Explain to us wetin be this one.
I use this one is plantain.
Boiled plantain.
Boiled plantain.
You put them for fire, you
Yes.
put salt or you no put?
I put salt. I added a little salt.
Okay.
To it. And why this one is concassé still with dried fish.
Okay.
Called
Okay.
ejagbigbe.
Okay.
Which comprises of the fish, the onions, and the tomato. With I garnish it with ugu.
Ha! This one you don't speak plenty English. People say go come confused for her because now pidgin now they speak and Wazobia. They go surprised say this chef, he like to speak plenty Oyibo. But make una no think and make una no confused. Now still Wazobia TV. I tell you, chef, you speak Yoruba on top here, you fit speak Hausa, you fit speak Igbo. That's why we be Wazobia. Wazobia TV. All right, you don't cook and finish. Make we carry am go. Make our judges still. But before they make you wait, more check your contestant whether she self don't finish her own. My darling, you don't do and finish.
I don't do
everything
don't
set. The aroma just hit me left, right, and center. Tell us the process where you take make this one.
Well, very simple.
Okay.
I slice my plantain.
Okay.
I chop the plantain.
Okay.
Put inside my pot.
Okay.
Put my crayfish, my spice, my salt. Time for fire. Add small water.
This one if you just call an concussion.
Yes, so because now porridge.
Okay.
I know they fry anything here.
Okay.
If you fry them, then I don't know the name where you go call them.
All right.
Then I put them for pot. When the thing they boil small, I can't add my pepper.
Okay.
Yes, allow and cook small before I can add my palm oil. I leave them for some minutes. The thing cook. It cooks small. I don't perceive the aroma small. Then I can't decide to add my vegetable. I leave them for like less than 1 minute. I bring them down because that ugu, you know, supposed cook done well.
All right, we suppose they taste and say it's still fresh.
Yes.
All right, it don't reach time. Moment of truth. Now be this one. You feel say you go feel convince the judges.
Well, by the grace of God.
All right, you feel say you go feel convince the judges.
Yeah, I feel.
You calm down before you talk.
Because I first picture the food where I want to give them.
All right, make we go meet our judges. Make we hear whether them self believe say wetin una don cook go make sense for where them dey. Because these two people, they believe say food na the very first thing where you must sabi cook as human being. If you no sabi cook, you still dey sit down for long chair. All right, my sister, how you see the process in the go? Because I see say you dey show finger, they say wetin. I don't know, I don't hear wetin you talk.
I like as the way two of them take them 2 different ways.
Okay.
So now I really no feel wait to test them to see how these ingredients where them put take work together.
Okay.
So I think we did very anxious.
Especially the boy own. That name when they call that in I want test them.
All right.
And plus the smell of the fish.
The thing don't come outside. All right, make we give them, because all will be ladies. Make we give them the benefit of that. May in come first. All right, come serve your judges. Make we see waiting you don't prepare for them. Yes.
Sorry.
Something.
Wow. This is. My brother, what do you call the name of this?
What do you call her?
Concassé soup.
Concassé soup.
Yes.
No, it's not the first time I hear this kind of stuff.
Now from which state that one come from?
That one is the combination of both an African and this European.
Okay, so now the plantain now be the African.
Exactly.
Then the sauce now come, but for European they know they use palm oil. How you take come with that one?
You know, it depends on the ingredients we are giving.
Okay.
So far we are providing any ingredients, so we must make use of what we have been provided.
All right. Make you know.
I still say you use the skin. Not best for my sister. I still say you use the skin, cook the plantain.
Yeah. Yes.
Why you do them like that?
You know, in African, we don't peel the back of the plantain.
Okay,
you know,
why
we have to cook it along with it in order to bring the taste of real plantain, and it will come out very well.
I guess that you talk on before. That's why I asked you that question again, because it means that you self don't even know the reason why you do them where.
Definitely.
You see that thing, and my people for house, if you want to cook your plantain, as seen do them like that, they're very advisable because they help us keep the nutrients them inside the plantain. So people them way they fight diabetes or weight loss, so it is very good and very healthy and very advisable for everybody to they boil their plantain like that with the skin. Then when you don't cook and finish, you can't remove the skin, can't chop them. Very good.
You believe them?
The palm oil taste come out well. The fish come out well too.
The way we take garnish the thing, the sauce we make. We could not conclude finish. We could still taste our sister one. But this one sweet well.
This one makes sense.
Just say more still, they be like say we go even ask for more because it's sweet.
Or you need takeaway pack.
That kind of thing. You feel no way too.
All right, so my people. Then test them. They also the palm oil makes sense. The fish self, the aroma come outside. Maybe you self go start to fry your own smoked fish. But make we leave the judges, make them chop down and drink water, make them settle down. Because by the time we go bring the concoction we don't make, na different story. Because me self no go ready. Make we finish this one, make me self go chop small inside this one. I tell you, for Wazobia TV, Anna Queen B, now I be the host of this one. Because chop chop, it is different from any kind of cooking show where you don't see before. This one, everything local, from charcoal to the local pots. From everything local. The only electronic we use now the TV where you take the watch me. That's why we say make you not touch that die, because for Wazobia TV, different program now they come meet you. My name still remain Queen B. We they come back.